Hello fam, great to have you here today. In this posted video, we have this problem 21 to the power x minus 4 to the power x equals 425, and we wanted to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 425 into two numbers such as 25 times 17. Next, you are going to break down 25 into the summation of 21 plus 4 and express 17 as 21 minus 4. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 21 to the power 2 minus 4 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and enjoy the ride.